The visitors that are coming this year to Qatar Boat Show are much more qualified than last year. We can see that they are bringing their friends, they are bringing their families, and they get more and more interest in the yachting lifestyle.
We believe this year it's a lot better than last year. It has already gained a lot of experience. People have started to recognize it. I think you can see that this year's many more exhibitors are present and recognized names in the industry. And also the quality of people who do come for serious approaches and interest are definitely qualified by it.
We have had an excellent week so far, with all the major shipbuilding companies in the world being present in Qatar. Gives us as a Qatari company an excellent possibility to show the world our capabilities.